Who's that? Who's that person? He looks so much like you. I wonder if you have a twin. Do you have a twin?
Is that Ashley? Elmo's not on the TV right now, buddy.
Receive the information.
Can you disappear? Can you disappear? What if you hide?
I know.
What if you hide? Let's hide.
Did you dance?
Let's hide. There you are. What if we hide like that? See, now I can't see you.
All done?
Peekaboo! That's a pretty cool laugh you got there. And that can't be topped. Say goodnight, Gracie.
Good night. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I'm going to turn off. Say bye-bye.
No. No. No.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. He's so infatuated with his own image. Bye. Say bye. Okay, bye.